While we love our Catalina 320, sometimes you just need to spend some time on someone else's boat and be pampered. We find ourselves in sunny Puerto Rico at a small island called Cayo Icacos. We boarded the Salty Dog catamaran with a small group and the intent of fun. Stick around and we will take you from the beach to the rainforest of El Yunque.
Everybody say, Puerto Rico! Puerto Rico! Puerto Rico!
Getting a little seasick and it's getting a little rough down there because you're not getting enough air. I will allow 2 on each side of the boat right here against these shrouds, okay? So right back here by the stairs, you can have 2 or 3 people back there standing up, looking out the horizon to help you out a little bit. That's perfectly fine. Just please don't stand past the top, okay? We're good with that, guys?
We're going to go snorkeling under the water. I cannot talk, she's so loud.
So we're, like I said, we're only in about 5-6 feet of water, so please no one jumping off the sides later on in the morning when we go do our snorkeling. At that point, we'll be like 20 feet, I'll open up a gate, and you guys can work on your back legs, your face flops, belly flops, whatever you need to, right?
Welcome back to Spot Adventures days. We are in Puerto Rico. We are in the water, believe it or not. We have the rum punch, we have the pina coladas. We've also, with the snorkelings, with the fishes. There were lots of fishes. There were little fishes, there were big fishes, there were little girls. But we did have a good time.
Maybe if I just kick. That's fine. Sorry, I didn't recognize with your hat on. I was just screaming. I was just looking for you, and I was like, she's back by now. Where is she? I think it might be deeper than I'm thinking though. Can I have a floaty behind you, Morgan? Or maybe the one Chase is on. Can I have a floaty? It's okay, I can take it. Will this hold our weight? No. You want 2 o'clock? Alright, we're almost there. Hold on. Okay, you want to get on it and then I'll hand it to you? You're gonna have to go next. Hold on. We'll let Morgan hold on first. Oh, goodbye. I knew what was gonna happen next. Bye! Wilson! Oh, that was bad. Okay. Go, 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 go! 50 pounds is just dead. I feel like a giant manta ray. Everybody say, Puerto Rico! Puerto Rico! If we all just make a pancake, it'll balance us out.
There, bitches! Nothing changed. No, you didn't do it right way enough for anything to change.
Can you use a pulley system to get us more drinks?
Or maybe they can just lower them down.
Today we're going to El Yunque rainforest. How does everybody feel about going to El Yunque?
Yeah!
Nauseated.
I'm El Yunked.
I'm excited.
Very excited to go to El Yunque.
It's cold up here.
Gonna need stabilization for this one.
You are here.
There was steps over here. Are you gonna leave us a bread trail? That's the pool right there. You can go up farther. Look, there's people up there.
That's people.
We're in El Yunque! Being rained on!
So pretty. I feel like I can always reference myself to those two towers.
I think that's where we live on the boat.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
I think there's our hotel. Looks like Kong lives up there. How are you enjoying your trip, Morgan?
I'm really enjoying my trip to Puerto Rico.
North American husbands in the wild as they stand and wait for drinks.
Get this picture? Let me show you.
Oh, okay.
Is it going? Okay.
Oh my god, this is Ow. They're the emoji twins.